Today we take a look at the NVIDIA stock ticker NVDA. Estimated trading hours for the upcoming Wednesday, March 13th, 2024. Welcome to Jack's Tech Channel. Let's dive right in. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like icon, because we offer these stock analysis videos every day after the close. I can guarantee you will get all the important information. Now, let's start getting Tuesday, March 12th, 2024. NVIDIA stock trading started at $880.49, ending the day with a gain of 7.16%. Shares traded between $857.74 and $919.13 during the trading session. Trading activity is strong. Volume was 65.2 million shares traded. This is equivalent to the stock's previous trading range of $861,000, or about $59.97 billion. It is worth noting that although the share price traded 1 million shares less than the previous trading day, but the stock's 50-day high was $1,974. The low was $233.60. NVIDIA stock maintains positive outlook amid low likelihood of distress, supported by short-term and long-term moving average by signals. The short-term average is higher than the long-term average, further supports this optimistic prediction. Exceeding the long-term moving average indicates favorable conditions to buy. At the same time, it falls below the short-term moving average, triggering a sell signal. Signaling a less optimistic outlook, NVIDIA stock looks dovish with observations: bearish 3-day candlestick pattern and extreme 3-day distribution. Instead, there is an extreme bullish distribution evaluated as of now. Intraday fund flow has confirmed a break above the $915 level. Considering the current short-term trend, there are no obvious emerging candlestick patterns appearing on the chart. The share price was expected to rise further as of the latest trading. The most recent daily candle on the chart shows a green tint, indicates that buyers or bulls are dominant in the market. The session showed mostly bullish action, with trading volume reaching 65.2 million shares, a 24% increase compared to NVIDIA's typical average transaction volume. The stock's 4 million shares currently sit in the upper end of its annual price range. NVIDIA trading activity shows positive trend, because it exceeded the 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, and 200-day exponential and simple moving averages. Turning to the technical side, several indicators reveal important insights. Average true range reflects weakening volatility. The Stochastic Final Oscillator Relative Strength Index Change Rate, Commodity Channel Index, MACD Average Direction Index, various indicators such as Williams percent range paint a positive sign. Overall, these consistent technical indicators point to a promising outlook, implied by recommendation. However, it must be acknowledged that relying solely on these indicators may not always yield clear results. Looking ahead to the analysis and predictions for NVIDIA price action on Wednesday, March 13th, 2024, it is worth noting, prices below 9,008 indicate potential downside risks, while prices below 9,008 indicate potential downside risks. Above it indicates the likelihood of an upward trajectory based on the previous day's closing price. The stock's current pivot point is at the 9,008 mark. Additionally, it shows support at $887, $528, $864, $39, and 84,228 levels. Also encounter resistance at $84,228, 9-669, 93593A, and D9582. Now, let's chart some potential trades for NVIDIA stock in the upcoming trading day. Includes to bullish and to bearish strategies. Feel free to explore alternative trade setups consistent with your bullish or bearish outlook on this stock. Draw insights from shared information. In this video, it is important to note that a breakout of a support level usually turns into a resistance level. Conversely, a breakout of a resistance level will usually turn into a support level. If the stock held at $87,528 during the first 30 minutes of trading, please consider initiating a bullish trade by opening a long position. The support level chosen to enter the trade is closely related to that support level, given the short-term nature of the transaction. For those who are bullish on NVIDIA and aim to profit on the day, As shares approach $926.69 resistance in ensuing bullish trade, watch to see if the $926.69 resistance level is breached at least 30 minutes after the market starts, and whether it holds support for a considerable period thereafter. This scenario implies a short-term bullish outlook scenario. Consider initiating long positions near the newly established support at $926.69. To realize gains on the second call trade, consider initiating long positions near ensuing resistance at $935.192. Adopt a strategy of gradually closing positions in small percentage increments. It is not recommended to close all positions at once, because the stock is undergoing incremental liquidation. It is now recommended to add 25% on bearish trades if the stock continues to hold the $926.69 level as resistance through the first 30 minutes of trading. You may need to consider initiating or increasing closing positions. Again, enter a short trading position near this resistance level for those bearish on NVIDIA and eyeing day trading opportunities. This is expected to be a short-term deal, recommended to take profits on initial bearish trade. The recommendation is to start doing this near the $28 support at $875. On the second put trade serves as a resistance level for a considerable period of time. This scenario implies a short-term bearish stance. In this case, consider initiating short trading positions near the newly established $875.28 resistance level to consider on subsequent. Profit taking in bearish trade near ensuing support at $86,439. Similar to the bullish strategy, gradually close positions in small percentage increments as the stock moves. It is recommended to close the position at an increment of 25%. As mentioned earlier, as the market landscape continues to evolve, stay alert and flexibly adjust your trading strategy, and take advantage of the rich insights available in this comprehensive analysis. May your trading be smart. Your financial efforts thrive in this dynamic market environment. Happy trading!